Over the years, we've bought countless homes from hoarders. We understand the stress and complexity required to sell a house full of stuff that usually needs repair. Hi, I'm Brad Chandler with Express Home Buyers. We buy homes for cash in any condition. So, if you're trying to sell your home that was occupied by a hoarder, don't give up. As professional home buyers, we're the best solution for hoarders who want to sell their homes. We pay cash and we buy it quickly as is. You don't have to even clear out the house. Take what you want and leave everything else for us to clear out and clean. We'll make it happen. It's our job to make it as easy as possible for you to move on and put the stress of your current situation behind you. We can get the process started when you're ready, and within no time, you'll have cash in your hands. No waiting and no fees, closing costs, or commissions. Contact us today for your cash offer, and let's get you where you want to go next.
Express Home